Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering how to hide chats on WhatsApp without deleting, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, WhatsApp offers two ways to hide chats without deleting them. One is archiving them, and another is using the chat lock feature. So, let's get started. Open up WhatsApp for that, your messaging application, and one of the easiest way you can do is you can go ahead and archive the messages. So all you gotta do is basically long press on the message or the chat that you would like to hide from your main chat screen. Long press on it until it gets selected with a check mark on it. And in the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding an archive icon. So when you go ahead and look out for that archive icon, the one with the arrow, tap on it. The message will be directly hidden. You can see the message has been removed from my main screen and the chat will be removed from your main chat list, and that is one of the method you can apply up. Or what you can do is you can lock and hide a chat. So you can open up the a chat that you want to hide. For example, let's say this is the chat, and once you open up the chat, you can go ahead and tap on the name of the chat. Just go ahead and tap on it at the top, and once you go ahead and tap on it, you may scroll to the given options, and you should be finding an option called chat lock. So it says that it will lock and hide the chat on the device when you turn on this option. So all you gotta do is head over and tap on it, and that should you need to confirm that pop up right here. Confirm it, tap on continue, and when you do, you can just go ahead and confirm your screen lock for security reasons, and the chat will be locked. A confirmation message will be popping up. Click on OK, and when you head back to your main chat screen, you'll be finding the chat being removed from your screen. And that's it. If you want to unlock it, you just need to scroll down from the main screen, and you should be finding option for lock chat. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then follow the process, and that should unlock the chat as well. And similarly, you can look out for archive if you want to unhide from archive as well. And that is it. So therefore, these are the methods you can follow up if you want to hide chat on WhatsApp without deleting. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.